What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add custom CSS into block WordPress themes without needs of custom plugins and into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over appearance. If you're using a block WordPress theme, you're gonna have only two options right here, themes and editor. Click on editor, okay? Right here, we can click into this style menu, in the case that you want, or you can simply click into this edit menu next to this A icon, just like this. Then all we have to do is review the upper right corner of your screen, and there is these three little dots next to the save button. If you hover, you're gonna be able to see more, and right here there is welcome guide and additional CSS. Click on additional CSS, place your code, save your change, and you are good to go. Simple, easy and very effective, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you tomorrow. All the best!